Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can gain candy corn in the new Grow a Garden update. So basically, you're going to talk to the witch here in the middle, and then you're just going to submit all fruit until the cauldron progress is at 100%. Right now, it's still at 90%, so I'm just going to harvest more fruits here. Harvest as many as you can. I think the bigger the fruit, the more points you can get, like the percentage, I guess. It's been really annoying to harvest plants, if I'm being honest. I think my garden's just a little bit too overgrown at this point. So yeah, let's just do that. And you're just going to get as many candy corns as you like here. So before the Halloween market appears, you are able to have a lot of candy corns. So submit all fruit. And I have candy corns. I think they also give the witch also give gifts, I guess. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.